Hey everybody, this is Halstead and Andrew McMillan with REH CPA. Today we want to talk about the self-employed health insurance deduction, basically what it is and who qualifies. I've got Andrew McMillan here with me. Andrew, what can you tell us about the self-employed health insurance deduction?
So to qualify for the self-employed health insurance deduction, there's three qualifications essentially. So the first one is you must be self-employed and you must have taxable earnings from your business that you're self-employed in. Secondly, you must have health insurance. And then thirdly, your spouse must not be eligible for a employer-sponsored health insurance plan.
That's the one that kind of trips people up sometimes, and a lot of people don't understand that or know that one.
Right.
That basically, if you're running a small business and your spouse works, say at Lowe's, and they have access to a health insurance, a company sponsored health insurance plan, which Lowe's obviously would, then that disqualifies you from being able to take your deduction.
It does. And even if you didn't even enroll in that plan, just having the option to enroll in it disqualifies you from the self-employed health insurance deduction.
So a lot of times we hear about these health sharing arrangements. They're usually a faith-based arrangement where medical costs are reimbursed. Would that qualify for the self-employed health insurance deduction?
Yeah, so unfortunately no. Faith-based health sharing ministries, health sharing plans, those currently are not qualifying for the self-employed health insurance. They're not considered health insurance, I think, at their very core. So those do not qualify for the self-employed health insurance deduction. It is kind of a hot topic right now with the IRS and Congress, so we suspect that it could potentially change in the future, but as of right now, those do not qualify.
Yeah, we'll definitely stay on top of that and let you guys know if that changed, but right now that does not qualify.
But the self-employed health insurance deduction, it's a really great deduction. You want to make sure if you qualify for it because it's actually a deduction for AGI, which basically means it just reduces your taxable income. If you don't qualify for the self-employed health insurance deduction, you can qualify to deduct your medical expenses, but that deduction is kind of riddled with limitations, and a lot of people don't always qualify for it. So fitting yourself into this self-employed health insurance deduction box is always a better option.
Awesome. Really good information, Andrew. So if you're a small business owner and you want to understand whether or not you qualify for the self-employed health insurance deduction, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you out. Thanks.